How did the moon form? Well, scientists theorize that when Earth was just forming, proto Earth, baby Earth, it was still really hot, and there was this other planet that existed when all these planets were forming called Theia. And Theia actually clashed into Earth, proto Earth, called the giant impact hypothesis, and it became part of it became actually part of Earth. We are seeing these inconsistencies in our mantle today that suggest that Theia did collide once with our planet, but the leftover remnants of this collision form the moon that revolves around the Earth today. And we theorized that there was a Mars-sized object that was kind of in the same our orbit, so they were kind of moving around in the same area. That's why we collided with them. And how do we know? What's the evidence? Well, first, the Earth and Moon actually have very similar composition. They're made up of similar basalts or similar types of rocks, and computer models also support this collision. So, how did those planets and moons form layers? Well, you can see that Earth, Venus, Mars, Mercury, and even the Moon have layers. They have cores, they have mantles, they even have crusts. For the most part. So at first, all these planets and moons were very hot, so everything was kind of mixed together. But as they cooled, the higher density materials that formed these planets sank to the center, and the lower density materials rose to the surface. So that's why the planets are always denser and moons are always denser as you go near the core, and less dense as you go near the surface. So this is a Regents exam question. It says the moon's formation from a collision with a planetary body called Theia is best evidenced by. This should be the basalt on Earth and the moon are made from the same materials, meaning the rocks on the moon and Earth are made up of the same material. So we think that the planetary our Earth collided with Theia to form the moon. The moon came from the Earth. It's not going to be the moon and Earth both have a crust, mantle, and solid inner core, because yes, the planets and moons have different layers, but that's not how we think that that does not suggest that they collided. That just suggests that these things cooled slowly and the denser materials sank to the core.